guys, how's it going? It's JP. We're about to show you a before and after home tour here. A little bit different from our typical ones because this one is going to be done all in one shot. The before is actually taken from 10 years ago when we had a property management company. We used to do home tours to try to rent out properties and list them online. And so you'll notice from 10 years ago the video is super shaky. I didn't have a smartphone, I just had a little 35mm camera, so bear with us on that for the first 3 minutes to get the before feel of it, and then we'll hit you with the after, which we just took back in November, right before we listed the house for sale. So enjoy, 10 years apart. Hopefully I look somewhat the same, and here you go. Hey, I'm JP with Halo Properties, and today we're here at it's a four bedroom, 2-bath wonder. Let's go have a look here. Right when we come in, we have the living room with the fireplace to keep you warm on those cold, chilly winter nights here. And we can come this way through the dining room / kitchen. We have the tile floor to go along with the hardwood that's in the living room. In the kitchen we have stainless steel appliances. We go back through the living room here. And the hardwood extends all the way down the hallway into the bedrooms. So we have 3 bedrooms up here along with 1 bath. And the bathroom has just been updated. Alright, we'll take you downstairs now. Alright, watch your step. And down here we have another bedroom, another bathroom, and the family area. So new carpet has just been installed, so that'll be nice and fresh for you. Grab the bathroom light. Have a laundry room as well. Now we can head out to the backyard, see what's going on. Hey guys, thanks for checking out our tour. We're going to start outside here. As you can see, we've done some refreshers out here. All new paint on the house. We painted the brick, which is pretty dirty. We painted that black just to give it a more modern feel. And then we also wanted to give it a pop for some curb appeal, so we added this sweet lime green door. It's actually the original door, we just painted it. So come on in, it's getting kind of cold out. It's November here in Minnesota, which is not fun, so we'll check out the inside. Oh, and you can see our plants here. Somebody stole one of mine yesterday, so I don't know. Thought this was a good part of town. All right, yeah, it feels a little warmer in here. Welcome to the living room here. First thing you notice when you come in is this sweet fireplace. This also had some really dirty brick. It was just kind of grimy. You'll see that in the before video. So we made it a little more modern, painted it gray. We also added board and batten throughout the living room. You can kind of see that as we pan throughout here. And then painted throughout to give it kind of a nice, refreshing, modern feel. You can see a few things that we actually made in the living room here. This console table will be featured in our book here that is coming out in January, so make sure to take a look at that, January of 2020. And then also, here's our square coffee table and easy peasy TV stand. So yeah, a lot of the stuff we build for our DIY videos makes it into our staging. This house is currently on the market. We just got an offer on it, and we use a lot of this stuff, which turns out great because the potential buyers actually want this table as part of the deal, and this is our industrial table that we made as well. So I will link that up for you as well, so you can feel free to make your own. But for the dining room, add a new paint throughout, add a new light fixture, put in a different floor, and some of these updates have taken course over the last like 15 years, so we didn't do everything all at once. So not everything's like brand spanking new, on trend, but it's still in good shape, and we didn't want to rip it out just to sell a house. And in the kitchen, it looks a little different. It used to be the wood cabinets with the white doors. We painted everything black, kept the original cabinets, but then just added some new hardware. We have new countertops, new backsplash, new sink and faucet. And then from the before video, you'll see there was a doorway here, and it used to go into the third bedroom. People like to have that flex space back in the day where they could either use it as a dining room or a bedroom. It's not too awesome to have your bedroom right off of this area, so we ended up putting a wood wall up over that. So yeah, that's our kitchen, and we'll go check out the hallway, and you can see the other side of the wood wall. As you can see, new paint throughout basically the entire house. Hardwood floors were refinished. And then I'll take you into this room. So this is the other side of the kitchen. So we added some shiplap on this side of the wall as well to block off that doorway and just give some more privacy for the bedroom. And then this bathroom was updated as well. New floor, new vanity, new mirror, fixture, paint, basically everything. Redid the shower and tub so it has some subway tile and a nice mosaic accent wall on that. And then last couple of things, some exciting bedrooms. One staged, one not staged. This is the not staged one. So yeah, paint, floors, fixture, that's about it. Didn't get too creative on these bedrooms. And then this is the other one, which is staged. Just helped sell a house. So yeah, added some headboards, some beds, some pillows. Gotta love those throw pillows. New fixture, and basically done. So that is it for the upstairs here. I'm gonna let Liz do a tour of the basement, which is a rare occasion. I don't think she's ever done one, so we'll see how she does.
Hi guys. All right, well, I'm going to take you into the basement, which apparently is a rare thing for me to do. As JP mentioned, he has owned this home for 15 years now, so all of these updates have been works in progress, including YouTube videos that we filmed here, which we will link up so you can try those out yourself. So we're going to start here in the stairwell. As he mentioned, there is new paint throughout the whole house, so painting. We did a wood accent wall, hung up JP's favorite faux deer head. And then as we go down, you'll notice some woodworking on the walls. So it's always nice to get that contrast of the white pop against the gray walls. And then when you come down here, you can see that quite a bit has changed. One of the first things that I want to point out to you is this wrap job that we did on the support beams, and we will link to the how-to video on that. So we wrapped this one, and then we also wrapped this beam across the top. And again, new paint throughout, and it's staged here for showings. Don't mind the radon detector over there. That's something that, if you're familiar with the home buying process, you know occurs on a lot of inspections. Gotta make sure you don't have that radon in your house. So got it set up for another family room here. And here we did a tutorial on this as well. It's how to do your own shiplap wall. I'm going to take you into the bathroom. Updates that occurred in here are new flooring and paint on the walls. All right, next I'm going to take you into another room that we have down here. JP, if you want to get a shot of that lime green door again, might be able to see it a little bit better without the sun shining on it. It's one of our favorite colors. It's called Parakeet by Sherwin-Williams, and it's quite the punch. All right, now if you watched the before tour, you will remember that these walls were paneled with wildlife. We love wildlife, but not necessarily on our paneled walls. So we painted this wall black for a nice little accent color. We've got the toasty gray paint on the walls here. That's one of our favorite go-to gray paints is Toasty Gray by Behr. We get asked that question a lot. And then JP also did some really cool wood features on the ceiling here. So that is all that we have for the basement for you guys. As you can see, a lot has changed, and one of the best ways to get value in your home is to buy it, live in it, rent it out, and update it over the years. So I'm going to wrap it up here. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you later.